So the first step in the process, the first C, will be the C from cleaning. You're working on paint, and we want to make sure that we get this paint as clean as possible after the accident or the damage that you want to repair. First and for all, we use a type of a glass cleaner to clean water and other debris off in conjunction with your microfiber cloth, and just rub it real well and get everything off that you can get off with a glass cleaner or a soapy kind of remover. So that's the first step into the cleaning. Second one is an isopropyl alcohol, 99% or as close as you can be. We are using the Key CRS cleaning and releasing agent for our glue, same product, to clean before we start glue pulling. We want to make sure that everything from waxes from car washes, or no matter what can stick on the car that you need to take off with an alcohol or degreaser, is gone before we glue pull. We want good adhesion, and we want to create it by cleaning it. So we cleaned this one, and again we removed some more debris that's on there. Sometimes even, because of the accident, because of the rubbing from another car, or whatever you rubbed with your car, there is paint or debris from the other car on this paint. You want to make sure that everything is removed and that the repair of the spot you want to repair, the dent that you want to fix, is as clean as can be. Meaning, if the debris does not release with the agent, with the glass cleaner, you go to the last step, and it is use a polisher and polish away the debris and make sure your paint is as clean as can be. This is the cleaning process of the paint. Together with that, we're not only cleaning the paint, we're also cleaning our tabs. Same step. Use a release agent and make sure that every other glue from a previous repair is thoroughly removed before we start glue pulling or to the next C of our process.